Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a new collaboration that is called Paw Your Way Into Our Hearts. And it is all about our puppies. And I am collaborating with Rebecca Lockhart and all of her link and information will be down below. This is the sketch I am going to use. So this is a page map sketch that is 8.5 by 11. And what I decided to do is that I am using my Close to My Heart products that I had no idea what I was going to use. So the way Close to My Heart works is, because you guys all know that I'm a maker, so I'm able to get some of the new products earlier. And this is what they sent me. Now, this is definitely not something I would be ordering. You guys know I wouldn't be. However, I had to figure out how I was going to use it. So I decided to use it with my Asher Bashers on this collaboration because I had photos that we took in June when we first got Asher in 2020 in a sunflower field and had like flowers and all that. And I was like, this will be perfect for me to use this collection on, at least to get those photos done in his book. So you will see me use this collection a lot. It's got a lot of honeybees or bees and, things like that. And I was like, you know what? It kind of fits because it's black and then it's in the sunflowers. It's just it fits the photos. So that is why I'm going to use this. And it was my opportunity to be like, look, this is how I'm going to use this collection because I didn't know how else I was going to. So I kind of got inspired last week or on Sunday when I made the layout for Stretch the Sketch on how I kept it all on the 8.5 by 11 paper and then just did it on a background of a 12 by 12. So that is what I decided to do here, is the same thing. I have these 3 photos. These were 3 photos that I took of Asher Basher. We couldn't get his face to stay in one direction. So I just went behind my daughter because my daughter's holding Asher, and he's only we got him for a week and we went and did these photos. So he's only maybe 9-10 weeks old tops. So that is what is there. And then in the sketch, it showed this line of stitching. So instead of me getting out my my sewing machine, because I'm going to be honest, I was lazy, I decided to take my stamp set, one of my stamp sets from Close to My Heart that unfortunately is no longer available, but just take a line and make it and add it. So it makes that this dimension, yet it's flat. So it's not that, big and thick in your album. And what I decided to do is that I took one of the photos and backed it with some foam tape because I needed to make sure that I added a photo to this because I wanted to put these 3 because of what is left for this particular photo shoot, I guess, if you want to say the best terms. I needed to get these 3 on there and I didn't want to not put these on there. So it works out pretty well because it looks like they were taken simultaneously because of how Kaylin's hair looks and how I was able to get Asher's face. So I decided to then, it says it has a bunch of banners on the side and then banners down below. I don't do the banners down below, but I do the banners on the side like this because they have quite a bit on this page. The whole 12 by 12 sticker page works. So I just kind of mirrored them back and forth. And then I decided to take some flowers and some keys and things like that that's on there and make it work for this layout. Now make sure you go check out Rebecca. She is also, believe it or not, one of my downline members to Close to My Heart. She's actually under one of my other friends, but ultimately at the end of the day, she is part of my team and I absolutely love her. And when I talked to her about it, I was like, ooh, I want to do a collaboration with her. And we ended up coming up with the fact that we have all these photos of our dogs and or of our animals. And me, I just have one, obviously, which is just Asher. I know she's got a few more. And I'm like, why don't we do it about our puppies? Because I have so many photos. As you can tell, I mean, these are photos from 2020. So I've got to get caught up with Asher because he's like grown so much. I mean, he's going to be 2 in April. Or no, 2 in May. And I've got a lot of photos to do if I'm still in this baby section. So make sure that you check out, if you are new to my channel or coming from her channel, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. We will be doing this collaboration on every third Thursday of every month. And I hope that you enjoy the process. I know mine will actually be in chronological order. So you will see as we go through the months that we will grow with this Mr. Asher Basher of ours. Because this is the only time I can say that I stick to order, which is things like this. And then, you know, like my daughters, like we're getting to the point where the older Kaylin gets, the less photos I get from the teachers because there's too many of them, because she's getting to that age where the teachers just really don't send out photos anymore. Which is cool. It's fine by me. So a lot of her stuff, I have to decide like where I want to put them. But for Asher, it'll only be one album, and whatever I take is what I take for the photos. So that'll be awesome. So make sure that you like and subscribe. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do collaborations like this. I'm on a couple of design teams, and then I just do my close to my heart products. So here you kind of got a twofer on how to be able to use these collections that you don't know what you're going to get. Or what you're going to be able to do. Now, if I didn't get this collection in the events that I sign up as a maker, I probably wouldn't have gotten these. Just hands down, just being honest. But since I have it, it has definitely challenged me, and I found a way to use it. So I'm super excited about that. I am putting in these corks. It did come with some cork embellishments. Now, I will link the kit together, but then I will also link these corks by itself because they do have the honeycomb in them. I just pulled the hearts out because that's all I needed for this. But I absolutely love this collection for this now that I found a purpose of how I was going to use it. So there it is. I am super close to my 3,000 subscriber giveaway. So if you are new or you just haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free and it ain't going to get anything. And then plus you get a giveaway and a chance to do it. So here I am finishing out with my splatters. That is it. The still shots are coming up. I hope that you guys are all staying warm, stay safe, and have a wonderful day. Bye.